In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LucidSpark Whiteboard. By the end, you'll have a fresh whiteboard open and ready to work with, using either a template or a blank canvas, and you'll know the basics to start editing right away. First, open your preferred web browser and head to lucid.app. This is the official site for Lucid's visual collaboration tools, including LucidSpark. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in the address bar so you know you're on the right page. If you plan to use LucidSpark regularly, consider bookmarking the site so you can return to it quickly in the future. Next, log in with your account. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or Slack, depending on what your organization uses. Choose the option that matches your existing account, then follow the prompts on screen. If your company uses single sign-on, the process is usually quick. Just confirm your identity and you'll be brought to your workspace. If you're already logged in on your browser, you may be taken straight in without additional steps. After you submit your login, give it a moment to load. Sometimes it takes a minute for your dashboard and projects to appear, especially if your connection is slow or you have a lot of boards. Avoid refreshing unless you see an error. A short wait typically resolves the loading. Once you're inside, it's time to add your whiteboard. You'll see options to start from a template or open a blank whiteboard. If you want structure and a head start, pick a template that matches your goal: brainstorming, flowcharts, retrospectives, or planning. Templates come pre-formatted with sections and prompts, which can save you time. If you prefer total flexibility, choose a blank whiteboard to start from scratch. Either way, click your choice and LucidSpark will open it in the editor. Now edit your whiteboard. Use the toolbar to add sticky notes, text, shapes, and connectors. Click anywhere to type and drag items to rearrange them. You can change colors, resize elements, and group related items to keep things organized. The canvas is infinite, so zoom and pan to create sections or focus areas. Snap guides help align objects neatly, and the undo and redo controls let you quickly correct mistakes. If you're working from a template, customize the headings and prompts to match your project and remove any sections you don't need. That's it. Go to lucid.app, log in, let it load, choose a template or a blank whiteboard, and start editing. You're ready to turn ideas into clear visual plans.